Mahapatro, Dr. Krishna, all my colleagues. One more 77 batch is leaving. Actually, in the 70s, the recruitment in IRMS, although this cadre was not yet announced at that point of time, it was very sporadic. The first time that UPSC decided to conduct a written test followed by an interview was in 1977. And that was when a big batch joined. But there was a difference. Presently, you find in the appointment of the present IRMS cadre, the railway board specifically mentions that they should be given their choice of postings, whereas I still have the appointment letter that was given to us where it was categorically mentioned the first 3 years of service you have to serve in the Wayside station. And literally, you believe me, we served on the Wayside station. I don't know how many of you are aware of the concept of a line doctor. I have seen it. I think Dr. Mahapatro has had also some glimpses. In fact, this exodus started with possibly Dr. K.P. Kaur. Then it went to Dr. B.D. Behera, then finally Dr. Premanandan Naik, Dr. Swai, and now it is Dr. Mahapatro. We will also follow suit subsequently, one after the other. And gradually the 1977 batch will go into oblivion. As he was saying, things are changing, things have changed. The most important change that has occurred is the expectation of railway patients has touched the sky. With the advent of the internet, your patients know more about their disease than we do. Your patients know more about the investigations that have to be done than we do. And they demand those detailed investigation and treatment in our primitive setup. That is where the administrator is in a problem, because he has to satisfy the patient, his relatives, and at the same time his colleagues, which is really difficult. I am confident that majority of you will become administrators in due course, and then you mark my words, whatever Dr. Mahapatro has faced, or I have faced, or Dr. Krishna has faced, you will also have to face those problems, and I am sure with your excellent managerial capabilities, you will be able to overcome them. But then, once the want, demands and expectations become unlimited, it becomes really very difficult for the person at the helm to manage the affairs. And I must congratulate Dr. Mahapatro for taking over at such a short notice and putting in all his efforts to manage things as far as possible. The constraints were many: manpower, money, materials. Meeting all the needs was not possible every time, but efforts were always there. But like I have always been saying during my tenure of, I'll be completing a little number of years more than Dr. Mahapatro possibly. But then what I have been saying always, a doctor never retires. So our nomenclature of retirement of a doctor must change. A doctor's abilities usually mature at the age of 60. So beyond 60 you get a more mature doctor who can serve the society better. So we wish Dr. Mahapatro a very successful and effective innings in his subsequent period, as Railway has also decided to change the terminology and call it superannuation. We were very expectant. We had expected that maybe the retirement age would be extended to 62. Some of us are quite hopeful. Some of my colleagues are very hopeful, and they have already started hanging that carrot in front of me that yes sir, it will become 62. I don't want to name those colleagues, but then the person who's more efficient with the camera has been propounding this theory that not 62, it will be 65.
So he is showing a bigger carrot.
So things are as they were earlier, slightly better, slightly worse. We can wish from our behalf, on behalf of the entire South Eastern Railway, a very happy, healthy and purposeful post-superannuation life at Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is his hometown, so he must be having a lot of contacts there, his relatives there, and we are expecting that the matrimonial activity that he had undertaken to initiate will finally become fruitful, and one fine day we'll receive a card, and we will try to book a whole bulk of block booking of tickets and land up at Bhubaneswar and give him all the trouble
With a
of
Riken
looking
boy.
after us during that function.
तापस से सोलो परफॉर्मेंस रखते
Oh yes, that would be free. That would be free. So
Practice
wishing him all the best for the next tenure of his, and assuring him of all our hospitality and help if at any point of time he would like us to be of any help. Wish you all the best.